Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Santa. So I'm going to start with two great big circles. These are going to be his eyes. And we're going to have circles in those circles and two more circles. So another circle in those circles and one more circle, but it's kind of hidden behind those first two circles we did, and we're going to color it in black. Okay, so I know that was a lot of circles. Now we're going to give him his nose, so it's going to be an oval. Okay, sitting right underneath those two eyes. Now, next to both of those eyes, I'm going to do another little oval. These are going to be like little blushy cheeks. Okay, now we're going to do a big fluffy beard. So it's all fluffy, fluffy, fluffy. So I'm just making all kinds of U shapes. Now I'm going to do another little U shape and give him a cute little smile. And I'm going to give him some more little fluffy little U shapes all around here on top of the eyes, because this is going to be the trim of his hat. So I'm going to make a pile of these little U shapes. Okay. Now I'm going to come down here on the side, a little line here, and I'm going to give him a little ear on each side. So just a little C shape here, and then the opposite on the other side. And I'm going to put a little line through each of those. Okay, so we got little ears. Now I'm going to keep working on the hat. So I'm going to make this swoopy, like curvy, wavy line. And come on down and join it. Okay, and now I'm going to continue on with all those little U shapes. Make the end of his hat like a little fluffy pom-pom at the end of the hat. Now he needs a body. So he's a bit of a big guy. So we're going to make him nice and round. Okay, he's nice and round on both sides. And we are going to do a curve like that. This is the start of his boot. Little line, come on down, and curve like this, like a little hill, and then come on in. And then we're going to connect the leg to the body. It's not a very long leg. And going to do a little line here, and then we're going to give him another boot. So a little line, connect legs to the boot, and then I'm going to come on down, and I'm going to make a curve here, go down straight there, little line, and go across. Okay, so now we got two boots. So they look different because one boot is out that way and the other is more so kind of facing us, I guess. Okay, now he needs hands. So I'm going to make a little floofy trim of his shirt sleeve. And we're going to do that the same way we did the trim here and the trim here, and the same way we did the beard, by doing all of those little U shapes. Okay? And we're going to draw a line, connect it to the body, and draw another line, connect it to the body, and he's going to have a mitten. So a little curve, and then give him a little thumb. So he's got a mitten. Now, we are going to do another floofy little sleeve trim. So all those little U shapes. I'm going to connect it to the body. And another line. But here I'm going to make almost like a rectangle, but not quite. It's like a little wavy rectangle. So this is going to be his hand, and he's holding on to a great big sack full of presents. Okay, so I just made a line And then I made like a wavy shape here, and now I'm bringing that in. So this is the top of the bag. And I'm gonna do a little, just a little shape here now for his thumb. And we're gonna come on down, and this is the big sack of presents. Okay, so we're not quite done yet. Santa still needs his belt. So this is a rectangle, and I'm going to do a little small oval inside, and then 2 little lines, go across, and come on down, and that's his belt buckle. And now we're going to finish the belt. So we got 2 lines here, and we're going to do the same on this side. 1 line and 2 line. All right, so now that we are done our drawing of Santa, I'm going to add some color. All right, everyone, we are done our picture of Santa. So I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you had a really, really good day, and I hope to see you here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, bye.